What can you do with a U-Haul box truck? How about create a mobile food transport? Check out Claudette's native food van. Interested in purchasing a U-Haul box truck? Check out any of our locations nationwide. Sizes available are 10, 14, 17, 24, and 26. Feel free to give us a call at our fleet sales hotline at 1-866-404-0355 or check out our website at www.uhaul.com/truck sales.